All right, we're back with another episode of build video. Today we're going to be doing the intercooler piping. Let's see how that goes. I'm just going to do some time lapsing again, but hope you guys enjoy. Peace, peace. Like so far. Oh my god, you look so sick. So yeah, we just got to do a few more little things, waiting for the blow off valve as well, but seems to be looking pretty sick though.
Yeah, all I have to do is cut this shorter.
Yeah,
The little valve
sick though. All right, we are back, and we did it. We have the oil return right here with the new oil pan. New oil pan and gasket, as you can see. Yeah, we're just gonna top it off with some oil now. Maybe give it a first start just to juice up the turbo, because it's been sitting for a while dry. But also we got the CV axles out as well, because we're doing that. We needed new ones anyways, because we're gonna make some power. So we'll get back to you when we do the first start. Peace, peace. Only the best of the best. OW40. Juice her up. And this is gonna be, it's gonna be good. I already know. It's gonna sound great. After like 4 days of, or more, I mean, probably a week now, just ripping it out and then putting the turbo in. It's been crazy, but luckily nothing has stopped us. We've done everything successfully, and we are about to make this the ultimate sleeper of all time. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! All right, John, give her a rip. Yep, here comes the oil. And the turbo is spinning. Yep, that is exactly what it needs to sound like. And that's why I forgot. That sounds great. Give it some gas. All right, yeah. What do you think, John? Oh my god. Everything was working perfectly. The oil was feeding back from the oil. All we have to do is just connect this piping from here and change out the CV axles, and we're good to go. Go get it tuned by Exact Dyno, but for now this thing is wicked sick. Oh my god, dude. It's crazy.
Full interior.
Ultimate sleeper.